Knowledge without application won't increase your compensation. 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 You should know that it's not personal. I just won't learn a thing if it ain't practical. I said, hey, you should know that I don't want to know if it ain't practical, because my head's almost full. Yeah, I ain't all about the cabbage. I'm just an enemy of average. If I can conceive it, I can have it. I don't invent wheels, I get wagons. I don't spend my day doing fractions. I'm memorizing things, brain racking. I do spend my day doing stacking. Maybe you can help me with this adding. Hey, you should know that it's not personal. I just won't learn a thing if it ain't practical. I said, hey, you should know that I don't want to know if it ain't practical, because my head's almost full. If it ain't practical, I don't want it, no. Don't want it. If it don't make sense, yeah, then I won't follow. Low. I don't need it, cause I don't live for money, don't live for fame, so cheesy. If you got a purpose, living deeper than the surface, and if you know what your worth is, why you descended to earth. You're a man on a mission called by the one who's risen to shine his light so bright that his children might listen, on a temporary journey, yeah, so I feel I gotta hurry. As the time tick-tocks and the souls die off, as the young and the old and the weak and the strong. Hey, you should know that it's not personal. I just got to apply everything that I know. I said, hey, you should know that I don't want to know if it ain't practical, because my head's almost full. Left high school, no, I didn't go to college. Still gotta apply the knowledge. Putting in work in, yeah, I got a God edge. I can do all things, there's no stopping. Christ lives in me, I abide in the King. We put work in every day, and we work from victory. Hey, you should know that it's not personal. It's not personal. I just won't learn a thing if it ain't practical. I said, hey, you should know that I don't want to know if it ain't practical, because my head's almost full.